We have a few stocks to talk about here. I'm with Ed Ponzi of Barchetta Capital Management. He's a managing director there and a contributor to our Real Money site. Let's start off with Boeing. I mean, the stock has been down on its luck as of late. In the latest string of events, two Japanese airlines have grounded their 787 Dreamliners for safety checks. Now, in a recent post, you said that the movement in the stock has been an irrational overreaction. Do you still feel that way?
Absolutely do, Lindsay. Here's the thing. This stock has not really broken its 50-day moving average, and they're throwing the kitchen sink at it. I mean, let's face it, every bit of bad news imaginable is hitting on this stock right now, and it's really holding up quite well when you consider. But I think you can get a very nice discount here off the high. The highs are up closer to 80. I think you get a very nice discount here. These problems will be solved, and the strong euro is really going to benefit Boeing this year. It's a competitor with Airbus, and that makes Boeing much more attractive than Airbus if the euro is going up.
Okay, those are some very good points there. Let's touch base on Apple too, because everyone loves to talk about Apple. Now, you called a while ago that you see a low, this stock heading 425.
Yes. It's
had a really weak second half of 2012, coming from 700 all the way down to 500. You're saying it still has more to go. Why is that?
Okay, technically speaking, and this is nothing against Apple, they have great fundamentals, but the technicals don't care, and the technicals have been screaming for some time that this stock wants to go lower. There's a lot of support at the 500 level. Now that that's broken, that'll act as resistance. So we're rallying up into that area. I think it's going to cap it up here, and I do think you're going to see this back down at 425. Problem is, when the stock rose, it rose very quickly. It didn't create any support levels. The next support level down is 425. Okay,
so that support level is pretty low, but we get earnings next week, and there are some people out there that are expecting that, I think a lot of people have made a real negative assessment that it's just all bad. The stock has been going down, but what if the quarter surprises to the upside? Do you wait to maybe get out of the stock until after the quarter?
Well, here's the thing that technical analysts believe, that there's something happening, and you may not know what it is, but it's being priced into the chart. And that's the whole thing about Apple. The whole time it was going down, nobody really knew why, but it didn't matter. What really mattered is the stock wanted to go down, and that's all that matters right now.
Okay, so on that note, we think Ed thinks Boeing is a buy, and Apple, stay clear of this. It's going to go all the way down to 425.